Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create image in Midjourney. So, to create an image in Midjourney, just follow this step-to-step guide on how to create or access Midjourney image. So, watch the video to the very end so you won't make any mistakes. So, the first thing you have to do is to log to your Discord account, then join a newbie or active channel. Then in the server, look for the channel labeled newbie or similar channel where you can create an art. Use the slash image command, which is on the screen, which is the slash image command. Then follow your prompt. For example, you can add it like this, which is image a serene forest with a slight filtering through the tree and the midset. Then be as descriptive as possible for better results. Then review your generate option. Then Midjourney will create a multiple version of the image based on your prompt. Then this will appear in the chart. You can also refine your art. So for you to do that, you have access to option where we appear where the art will appear in under each image, like the U1, U2, U3. Then you can also upscale the corresponding image for higher resolution. You can also choose the creative relations of the corresponding image. You can also use V1, V2, V3 or before. Then select the option that suits your need by clicking the respective button. Then you can simply download your image, and that's a simple guide on how to create image in Midjourney.